Hi everyone! If you are listening to this video, then you are ready to embark on a futuristic and transformative educational program. A program which trains you to come out of your comfort zone, explore the real world around you, and follow your curiosity. Don't just think outside the box. Practice to think like there is no box. Disruptive thinkers are the ones who could make new discoveries, who can see what everybody has seen, but think what no one else has thought. The Emerging Innovators Research Program is a new, unique opportunity for high school students. The program trains students to find new ideas and strategies in science and engineering and apply those discoveries to solve real-world problems. This conceptual scientific design solution is documented as a detailed research article. Articles that meet and pass the rigorous review process would be published at emerginginnovators.org, an online science journal. The transformational knowledge and skills gained through this program, along with the research publication, helps the students not only to stand out in the college applications, but also helps students to figure out their passion and their path beyond college. I'm Shanti Balaraman, who developed this interdisciplinary curriculum and will be the instructor and mentor for the Emerging Innovators Research Program. For the advancement of our society and to solve the current complex problems we are now facing, for which time is of the essence, we need to have a steady flow of new inventions and innovations. We need to be able to go faster from discovery to applied science to product design. New methodology and processes are being taught through this program to help our next generation students acquire these important skills. As the president of Stanford University's chapter of Sigma Xi, the Scientific Research Honor Society, I'm devoted to the promotion of research in science and would like to inspire many students. The question that I often get is there any experimentation or laboratory work involved in this research? The answer is no. In order to do experimentation, one must first have an insight or theoretical discovery and new ideas. What students will learn is how to make new discoveries and proceed to apply those discoveries and design a solution to a real-world problem. In an effort to help understand the importance of first having a scientific conceptual insight, I have written a blog which is available on children'sinnovationcenter.org website. The blog title is Revamp Needed in Science Education. Please check it out. The program has 3 phases. First, I need to help the student transition from the school way and build the foundational skills needed for this new scientific method, such as to make in-depth observations, to ask questions and also understand how questioning needs to evolve through the process, and then apply analytical thinking and reasoning to the observations. During this process, students will be able to also identify a topic for their research. In the second phase, students learn new methodologies and processes to help them make new discoveries in science and engineering. Then, Whole system design thinking and industrial designing processes are adopted to incorporate the newly discovered ideas and strategies to design a novel scientific solution that would address a real-world problem. The third phase is intermingled with the previous phases, and the student writes down their entire process as they progress. Students will sharpen their scientific writing skills and engage in writing a very detailed research article. Often it exceeds more than 30 pages. Yes, it is like writing their own science textbook. The article writing follows the guidelines provided by the Emerging Innovators publication requirements. Students are mentored through every step and will only be allowed to advance if each step meets the required quality. Now let's look at the comparison between the old well-known scientific method that all of you are familiar with to the new method that will be used in this research program. Feel free to pause the video here to review the new model. As you can see, the new method is quite intense and very thorough. Students will be guided throughout and will have access to all the resources they need to successfully complete this research. At the end of this research, students would have clearly written and articulated their thinking, their discovery, their conceptual scientific solution, and also would have identified the next steps for prototyping. The research articles which passes the strict review process are then published here at the Emerging Innovators online science journal. This is a revolutionary journal that will only publish novel solutions, that follows the research guidelines, and must use one of the two thinking processes mentioned. Which is an important reason why this is so unique and the research article stands out in the college applications. Some of the past students received invitations to be part of a documentary to share their innovative solutions, and another got opportunity to pitch their solution to a Silicon Valley entrepreneur and investor. So yes, the viewership of your published articles goes beyond the academia. I highly encourage you to please visit children'sinnovationcenter.org website and read the testimonials of previous students and parents. Also, check out the blogs written by students who have shared their experiences on how this research program helped them with their college admissions processes. After the research program, many of my students have pursued many other opportunities to utilize their newly acquired knowledge and skills, such as participating in the international science and design competitions, and have also presented their work at esteemed research conferences. Through the Innovation Club at Children's Innovation Center, I mentor teams to participate in the International Design Challenge. More information on this is available on the website. Did you know that in 1665, Isaac Newton had to work from home due to the bubonic plague? During this time, when he was at home, he made three major insights that have contributed to the advancements of our society. Similarly, Nikola Tesla also had his eureka moment in a park. These and many other great scientists have made breakthrough insights not when they were in a lab, but outside in the natural world. If you have the patience and perseverance, then you too can make breakthrough discoveries and help change this world. I'm only able to give limited number of students this unique opportunity. So, go to children'sinnovationcenter.org website and register online for the Emerging Innovators Research Program. You can choose either in-person summer classes or online one-on-one program. Enroll early to reserve your spot. Let's enable our next generation to be the change makers for the good of all humanity. Thank you and have a great day.